How to make beef stew, Hungarian goulash. Hi everyone, welcome to Viva la Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a beef stew Hungarian goulash, or as we would say in Hungarian, goulash leves. So this is a very classic dish in all of Hungary. It's absolutely amazing. I was very lucky to actually live in Budapest for one whole year, and so I couldn't get enough of this wonderful recipe, and now it's time to share. And it's very quick, healthy, and easy. It really depends how you make it. If you put a lot of fat into it, of course, it becomes a little bit not as healthy. Today, we're gonna try to make it as healthy as we can, and it's also a variation to the classic Hungarian goulash soup. So let's see what those ingredients are. So the first step is we're going to want to go ahead and turn our stove to medium-high heat. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and oil that pan, and we're going to put in the onions. So as you've got that heat a little bit on a lower setting, make sure you sporadically stir it. So again, those onions don't overcook or burn. We're gonna make sure they're nice and translucent and evenly cooked. So it's been 13 minutes since I turned on the stove and I've been cooking these onions. So again, the process isn't very quick, but again, that onion needs to be cooked very nicely and evenly. And so as we can see here, you get a nice view of how the onions look. They're not burnt, they're translucent, they're golden, they look very tasty. And so at this point, we're gonna go ahead and now add in some paprika. Paprika is a very, very important ingredient in this dish, so let's go ahead and add it. Gonna go ahead and mix it. And after stirring that for about a minute, now we're gonna want to add in our beef. And we'll go ahead and turn up our stove a little bit to medium-high. We're going to want to make sure it's stirred nice and evenly. And as we have the beef cooking, we're also going to want to throw in some garlic salt. And we're going to want to go ahead and let the beef cook for about 4 minutes. So it's been about 4 minutes, and so now what we're going to do is we're going to add in, this is kind of like a little optional ingredient, as they would say, a little bit of wine, just a little bit. Give it a stir for about a minute. I have here a little piece of a garlic. I'll go ahead and add that. We'll go ahead and add in some water. And we'll go ahead and cover this and let it cook for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes since we've had the beef cooking, so now we're gonna wanna go ahead and add in the extra ingredients, which will be the carrots, the potatoes, and also the tomato sauce. Wow, this looks nagyon, very good, as they would say in Hungarian, nagyon. right, we're gonna wanna cover this and let it cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. So the last step for this whole process is we're gonna add seasoning. So I personally like to add some Vegeta, but this is definitely optional. Vegeta you can find on Amazon or sometimes in Middle Eastern markets. But again, if you can't find this, you can use beef bouillon, you can use vegetable stock, you can use just vegesal, which we've done in a few different videos. Whatever you like in order to give the broth some more taste. So it's optional to what you like. Today I'm going to be using some Vegeta, but you can use whatever you prefer. Wow, look at how beautiful it looks. It smells so good. This is going to be a great goulash levesh. We'll go ahead and let it cook for another 5 minutes. So at this point, we can go ahead and turn off our stove and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and just so you get a chance to see how good this is gonna look. Let's see. Oh, wow! Oh my gosh, so yummy. Hungarian Goulash beef stew. This is gonna be amazing. Amazing dinner. And there we have it. Quick, healthy, and easy Hungarian goulash soup, beef stew, as they would say in English. Time to enjoy. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, ring that bell, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Enjoy.